Is this really a red on red 66 Chevelle convertible with a 427 and a 4-speed and air conditioning? Well, yes it is. And go to volocars.com to get all the pricing and specs. Hi, I'm Jay Grams. We're here at the Volo Auto Museum. Go to volocars.com to see this car and hundreds of other collector cars all for sale. We have shipping, we have financing. I have a whole staff of people here that are willing and able to help you get your dream accomplished and get one of these cars in your driveway. So visit volocars.com, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're cranking out videos of awesome cars. Let's take this one for a spin. I bought about 10 or 11 cars from a collector in East Tennessee, all Chevelles, Camaros. This is one of them that I bought from him. We got the car and it was just had a little miss to it. I actually didn't think much of it. We tuned around with the carburetor, had that rebuilt, and the new distributor. Turned out there was more than that. Internals on the motor were bad. So long story short, I just paid $8,200. I had this motor completely rebuilt. It's a 427, and that also included they serviced the air conditioning, and I said just check the whole car out. So rebuilt motor, cold air conditioning, rebuilt carburetor, the distributor's replaced, and the car's been test driven, inspected, it's turnkey, ready to go. So someone's going to get a great driving car with great features. This is not a rotisserie body off the frame show car, although it's stunning. I mean, it's straight, it's beautiful, it's solid, polished wheels on there, a new interior, it's got a newer top. It's got digital gauges in the dash, but it's priced what our hardtops are priced at. There's a blemish somewhere up here in the hood. If you look for it, you won't see it out in the daylight, but there's a little bit of lifting right there in the paint. There's a little bit of pitting on the chrome here in those louvers. So that's when I say it's not a high-end restoration. But again, it's priced at where my hardtops are priced, and it's still a really great car. Try finding a 4-speed with a 427 and air conditioning in a convertible. Try and find it. It's got aluminum radiator with the overflow bottle. It's a big dual-feed Holley carb. It has a factory GM aluminum high-rise intake. Clean and orderly under the hood there. Beautiful door jambs, nice weather strips. It's got seat belts, bucket seats with the console. I have ordered a trunk lock, so that will be coming for it. That's on order. Trim is nice and bright and shiny. Tires are real nice. We'll fire this puppy up. Gauges are digital, they light up nice, they're working. It has a tachometer. I was underneath the car on the lift, which we'll have pictures on our website. It's solid underneath. Yeah, sounds nice. You will get the receipt. Told you we just paid $8,200. We're more than happy to give the receipt to whoever buys the car, so you have proof of that. New windshield. Fits nice, it's shiny, it's straight, it looks great. Someone will get one heck of a fun car here. So go to volocars.com. Before someone beats you to it, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're going to be cranking out a lot of cars. We have about 35 cars on deck waiting to be photographed and videoed. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.